G'day guys, the Wandering Donkey here. In this episode we reunite with my best buddies in Johannesburg, have a safari day followed by a wild night, and then fly to Victoria Falls where the real fun begins. We made it to South Africa. We made it, no hiccups, both planes were delayed, made it sweet. Fed, coffees, feeling good, not much sleep. Back injury absolutely killed me. I couldn't sit still for like half an hour or more, so I had to get up and walk around every half an hour. But it's about 11 a.m. Thursday morning. Going to meet the boys now. About to check into a new Airbnb today with the lads. Exciting times. When Sean arrived 2 days ago, they actually lost the suitcase, so I've got to pick that up now as well. So it's all working out. No point in ever stressing, and yeah, glad to be here. Let's go. Absolute carnage here at the airport, trying to get this Uber. There's cars everywhere, people everywhere. People trying to like help you, and this guy just whacked that car. I don't know what he's doing. What's up, brother? How are we? Wait, on the camera.
Welcome to Africa.
Hey bro. Sick.
Check out the view.
Good. Bit better than the van. Hello, how are you? Not a bad view.
Loving how you wind up for me. Tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me. Yeah, yeah. She just want a high life. Ooh, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby.
I'm in South Africa right now.
We're doing a drive-through safari, heading through. Where are we? What's the actual name of the place?
Lion and Rhino Park.
Lion and Rhino Park, probably like 45 minutes out of Joburg.
Featuring Jimmy the giraffe.
We fed a giraffe already, that was pretty sick. So we're just cruising out now. We drive through, there's lions, we got rhinos, we got, what else we got?
Zebras, antelope, elephants.
Sick, so
Wild dog.
Wild dog.
Wild dog.
So yeah, we're driving ourselves, so it'll be pretty interesting. It's not the main safari park, it's just a little warm up, but we'll see what we see.
In love. Yeah. The way that you move, wanna connect with you like Bluetooth. No touching, that's my boo-boo. Your love, they do me voodoo. She's my new boo. I'm watching her like YouTube. I wanna ride like choo-choo. Your love, they do me cuckoo. Hey, yeah. Loving the way you move around me. That body don't wait.
It's been a ripping day. We saw tigers, lions, wild dogs, buffalo, warthogs, all sorts of cool stuff. We're just here at a nice restaurant, having some dinner. This is the view. First proper night in South Africa. We've got a good couple of days ahead planned, so looking forward to it. Let's go. Push it up, push it up, push it up.
I believe in you.
1.
Let's go.
10. Alright, Sash.
Thanks.
How are the boys travelling?
Sean's ego is taking us here.
The boys have genuinely had about 10 shots each and about 20 drinks.
Salud.
Salud. Hey, eye contact, bad luck.
Salud.
Hurry up, kid. Oh. Good time, brother. And that was the last time we saw Sean. Alright, Sean's on absolute rampage. He's just ordered another 4 shots straight away.
Dear Sean's wife and Brett,
Excuse me. Hey.
if you're watching
shut up.
this at Sean's wedding, please ask your son about Hawaii.
Alright boys, get the first one done,
Yeah. Salud.
Oh, I do not envy the boys. Alright, another one, get it done. God damn.
Hey.
And this was definitely the last time we ever see Sean. Good work, lads.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while.
Victoria Falls.
What's the plan for the next few days, Sash?
We go to Joburg National Park, do some game drives. We're camping in the national park for the next 2 nights. Then we're going to do some tiger fishing on the river. And then we're going to go hunting out of season.
Let's go.
Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to.
Alright, the boys made it to Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe. Flights are about 180 Australian. It's about 60 or 50 Australian to get in the country. We're going to go hire a car, make our way to accommodation, which we actually haven't booked yet, so we'll figure that out. And then we're going for dinner tonight. Where are we going tonight? To the Boma. Let's go.
The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again.
So here we are. Sash, where are we?
Zambezi River.
Zambezi River. Sean's never usually got anything good to say, but we'll just see what he wants anyway.
It's going good so far.
Now, looks sick. Zambezi River. We got here today. Cost us $50 US to go to a tour for the afternoon. We're gonna watch the sunset out here. Try catch some crocs, some hippos. Have a look there. See what we can get. Take some photos. Let's go.
Apologize, no, we won't waste any more time, yeah. Memories that we made won't fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for a second chance. To apologize, we won't waste any more time, yeah. I am all that I need. No need to apologize.
Alright, Sash, what do we got here?
We got a bit of kudu stew, sadza and yama, which is traditional Zimbabwean food, kapenta fish, which is the local fish caught here, and impala steaks. And then we got a bit of chicken as well.
Delicious. Let's go first.
My favorite.
Mopani worms. Could you video for us?
Of course.
Oh, yeah.
We're all gonna thank you.
Cheers.
Oh,
Yep.
the whole thing?
Oh, whoa. What do we think? What do you think? You feeling the flavor?
I'm savoring it.
You know what it is.
Not bad.
Not bad. That is disgusting.
It's good.
It's not great.
You won't see us now in 1 week's time.
We ate the worm. No pain.
Create the worms, huh?
Barney worm.
Oh, you want the
Thank you for coming, Groupie. Groupie, let me say something for you. What's up, Groupie?
He gave me like a little memento, yeah.
So Sean's got awarded King of the Dance Floor by the MC. He kicked off the party, had all the moves, the crowd were loving it. Not bad.
Yep.
Wow, what an incredible night. We had bongo drums, we had Sean dancing in the middle of the dance floor. He got King of the Night for dancing.
The Boomer Man.
The Boomer Man. We tried worms, we tried, what else? Impala, we tried heaps of different animals. The dancing was cool. Incredible night, first day in Zimbabwe. It's been a big day. We've accomplished a lot. We're fishing early in the morning with a local, heading out on the boat at 6 a.m. So gonna hopefully get to bed. It's about 11 o'clock now. Pass out, get back at it tomorrow. Let's go.